Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because you're spending all day with me. We're going out shopping for the patio. I'm gonna explain you why I shaved my head. I'm not doing any social media, which, hang on, I already broke that rule because I already posted on Instagram. Anyways, we're gonna go shopping and we're gonna do all kinds, we're gonna be all over the map. Don't forget to stop at Walmart. Don't forget I need to stop at Walmart, you guys. If you are curious to see how I spend my day off, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, here we talk about interior design and decorating through fun DIY projects to help you unleash your inner designer. And today's gonna be so much fun and I cannot wait till the shopping. All right, you guys, let's go. I'm so excited you're here today because we're gonna spend the whole day together. It is about 7:15 in the morning and I am out on a run because that's how I start every day. Then we're gonna do breakfast. Then we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and return those pictures that did not work for our bedroom. And then after that, we're gonna do some shopping and some other things around the house. That patio is a disaster and I will show you in a minute. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I am back from my run and I just want to go take you out to the back and show you the patio and what a big mess it really is because we're gonna get working on it today. But first I want to show you how to go around the house and it's right here. I'm going to flip my camera around just so you guys can see. There was a storm. The winds here in California are super strong when there's winds, and so the windows that I had hanging on the walls had to take down. All the furniture was moved around, the plants were on the floor, so let me show you what this mess looks like. So this is what the patio looks like after the storm, you guys. All the plants were like literally on the floor. Look at this mess. The furniture's all moved around. I had to take all of the windows down from where they were hanging. So today we're gonna get cranking on it and we are going to do some cleaning, and I want to go to Walmart and buy some of the cushions for the chairs. I know exactly what I want already because I've seen them more than a few times. I think I'm gonna buy a few more plants to make it even more green. But look at this mess, you guys. This is what I have to work with, and I hope you'll stay tuned for the makeover transformation. God, I have my work cut out for me. Alright you guys, so for breakfast we're gonna get some oatmeal and add some strawberries and banana and honey and Jameson's. It's already ready on the microwave, so time to put mine in and enjoy breakfast. Alright you guys, so one of my least favorite things to do every day is to pick an outfit because here in California the weather is so crazy, so I might be wearing shorts and then later on I'm gonna be so cold, so I picked this really cute shirt with a palm motif on it. I absolutely love it. And then these shorts, and I'm gonna wear these with some white sneakers, and after the weight loss it really has become really hard to fit into these clothes, so I think I'm gonna have to go shopping for some clothes as well, so stay tuned. All right you guys, so I have my pictures for the return at Hobby Lobby, so we're gonna go there first. I'm so sad that it didn't work out because I really love the way that they look on top of the bed. However, I think I'm gonna go to IKEA and find something similar that I can put together for on top of the bed. And if it doesn't work out that way, I do have a piece of artwork that I will show you later that will work. And then also, I don't know if you noticed, but I shaved my head because my aunt's first year anniversary of her death from cancer is coming up. So I'm gonna do a video coming up about that and my decision to honor her this way. And actually, I think I look pretty good. But right now we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and then to Walmart, and I'll show you what I get in a minute. As much as I like to hang out around Hobby Lobby, right now there is nothing I need, so I'm just gonna head to Walmart and get the cushions because here's my secret, you guys. If you don't need it, don't buy it. Doesn't matter how inexpensive it is. Let's go to Walmart. All right, we are Goodwill now. We're gonna see if we can find any good deals for any rooms in the house. Remember, the secret is to continue to come back and continue to look to find the best deals. That's my secret. All Alright you guys, so I just want to show you how delusional the people who price this at Goodwill is. This basket is $9.99. You can find something like this similar at Target for less than that. This is just outrageous. Alright you guys, so lately I'm into this vintage style and I absolutely love this shirt. I love the feeling. Has a few stains over here. I love the pattern. I love how it fits and it feels really good. The sleeve has to be rolled up, but I feel like it's really in right now. So I think I'm gonna get this shirt for $6. What do you think? I love it. Here, since we're already near the Dollar Tree, why not make a pit stop and see if they have anything for Easter, you guys? We might do some Easter around the house. So let's look around. There is a lot of St. Patrick's Day decorations. I did not know that people did St. Patrick's. There's this cute little guy right here. I guess I could get a door hanger, and I also love these right here that says welcome. This could be real cute also on the door to the garage. And here's these placemats with a big glitter edge. And of course this guy right here, there's also like a door knocker. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and I absolutely love this one. So many cute things for St. Patrick's Day. Oh, cute little bow right here. And how about this cute little lavender bushels on a raffia? These would be cute around the patio, I think. For only $1. That would be me. They have a few of these flower pots. I think I'm gonna have to get a few more, as well as that one. Cute for a centerpiece. They have these glass candle holders in mercury glass and gold and silver. This red one would be perfect for Christmas. And I also love this mason jar one. I think I'm gonna get a bunch of these and store them for Christmas to hang from the patio ceiling. So many cool things. And of course the floral is super stocked. I love this Dollar Tree. They usually have a whole bunch of varieties. Cool. Alright you guys, so after a few distractions at Goodwill and Dollar Tree, we're heading to Walmart finally and get those cushions, so come with me. So excited because they have all of their plants out and I already see the one I like. Oh my gosh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble you guys. I wanted one of these plants right here. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to take it. It's so beautiful. Got a big leaf. Okay, but we're here for the cushions, so I need this pattern. I like this pattern. What do you guys think? Has blue, has white, it has green, and monstera leaves in it. So let me find the smaller cushions. I think they're over here for the little chairs. Yes, look at this. I have to have this. How cute. Do you guys like it? Thumbs up if you like it. Guys, these are only $5. How can I not get this? Ugh. I wish they had the matching pillow, but they have this small one. I'm gonna go home and see if they have this online and I can order it on the other pattern, but this is a good container too. I like that palm leaf motif. I know I shouldn't be this excited about cushions, but you guys, I cannot wait to get the patio ready because this year I'm gonna spend a lot of time in there. So I'm gonna get this and go home and play. All right, you guys, so leaving Walmart and now I'm gonna go to a tailor. So I have that shirt altered to my body because I think it is very important. It fits right. I love the fabric and I love how it feels. So for me to wear it, I have to have it a little bit more altered to my body and I cannot wait. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna go home and start on dinner. Alright you guys, well that's all I have for today. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and prep some dinner. I'm gonna do some roasted vegetables in the oven and I'm gonna marinate some chicken. But I just wanted to thank you guys for coming along with me. I really had fun showing you all the things that I like to do on a day off, except laundry. I didn't do laundry, which I'll probably do tomorrow. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for all of the upcoming projects, including this patio, the bedroom reveals, and the home tour for spring, which I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.